How to create travel route effect in Filmora. First, open Filmora, go to Stock Media and find AI image. Enter your prompt, click Generate, and wait for a few dozen seconds to get a high-quality image. Import the image into the video editing track. Then search for Global Map in the library and add this material to the track. Click the image to video icon, select the corresponding frame, click Submit, and the reference image will be automatically added. Next, click Image to Prompt, and a prompt like this will be automatically generated. Wait for a few dozen seconds, and a perfect transition video will be completed. Then, move the timeline to the timescale corresponding to the map image you like, click the speed icon, and select Add Freeze Frame. The image will be frozen. If you want the image to be clearer, you can also find Enhance in the right panel and improve the video quality. Next, click on the pen tool to draw the travel route. If you want to draw a curved route, you can hold down the Alt key and adjust the handles with the mouse. After drawing the route, in the stroke on the right panel, select the dotted line path and change the route to your favorite color. Then, move the timeline to the beginning of the route material. Find the trim path, set a keyframe for the start, adjust the end parameter to 0 and set a keyframe. Move the timeline to the end, and adjust the end parameter to 100. Here, a keyframe will be generated automatically. Next, click on Stickers, search for Pulse, and drag the sticker onto the timeline. Adjust its size, duplicate it multiple times, and position the copies at the flight destination points. Then, go to Path Follow and open the library, choose an icon you like, and wait a few seconds. It will automatically align with the route. You can adjust its size and rotation to better match the route. Then, create a text element, customize the font style, add a shadow, adjust the text size, and duplicate it several times. Place the text elements next to the pulse stickers. Select all the text clips, go to Animation, find this animation preset, and apply it to the selected clips, and you'll achieve this effect. Next, select all the clips and create a compound clip. At the beginning of the compound clip, set a transform keyframe, and by adjusting the scale and position over time, create a cinematic effect that follows the airplane's movement. Finally, add background music and let's see the final effect.